How to improve your beauty by creating a sleep-friendly space. Sleep is essential to your overall health. Getting a good night's sleep is also important if you want to look your best, as people are naturally more attractive when they are well rested. Try making some simple changes to your routine to help improve the quality of your sleep. There are also a few simple things you can do to get the most beauty benefit from your sleep. Number 1. Keep your bed for sleeping and sex. If you are used to watching TV or doing work in bed, you may find it harder to relax and to think of the bed as a place to sleep. Ideally, your entire bedroom should be designated as a sleeping zone and not an activity zone. If have no choice but to spend your waking hours in your bedroom, consider adding a comfortable beanbag chair or a small couch into your room for activities like working and watching television, instead of using your bed. Make sure to actually sleep in your bed. You will not get great quality sleep if you fall asleep on the couch. Number 2. Make your room as dark as possible. If there is even the tiniest bit of light in the room, it can disrupt your circadian rhythm and your pineal gland's production of melatonin and serotonin. If you can't block out every stream of light, or if your partner has a different schedule than you, try wearing an eye mask to bed. Keep the light off when you go to the bathroom at night too. Number 3. Keep it quiet. Turn off the television and any music that contains lyrics, and try to block out as much noise from the outside world as you possibly can. Some people find the sound of white noise, which drowns out background sounds, or natural noises, such as the ocean or forest, to be soothing for sleep. If this helps you sleep, try getting a white noise machine or turning on a fan. Number 4. Set a comfortable temperature. You will sleep better if you are neither too cold nor too hot. The ideal temperature for optimal sleep is 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15.5 to 20 degrees Celsius. Your body temperature decreases for sleep, and these cooler temps can actually help you fall asleep more quickly, too. Because they have the poorest circulation, the feet often feel cold before the rest of the body. Wearing socks to bed can help keep you nice and toasty. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.